Welcome back everyone to One Blessing TV, and today we'll be harvesting cherry. Thank you for subscribing and sharing and like. This is the cherry tree, nice and ready to harvest. You can see, nice lovely cherry tree. Nice lovely cherry, and we'll be harvesting them today. Some of them. That cherry. Cherry. Harvesting cherry, man. Nice cherry today. Right, the bird's eating them, so we just have to get these very quickly. They will get better, good amount than last year as well. So just picking the red ones. Try to keep the birds them away. So they're gonna eat some of them, but it's true. So these are the cherries. There's more on it. So we're just waiting on these ones to ripe, fully ripe, and then we harvest it. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.